Welcome back to a brand new video. Today, if you didn't see the last video, Dave is going to be my teacher. And we go at the end. I don't mean to spoil it, but
Don't tell him. Don't tell him.
You remember? There's gonna be yeah. Okay.
I know. Okay, kids, sit down. We'll make a fun craft at the end of the day if you be nice. Haha, just kidding, yo. What's up? Dale's be the coolest teacher already. We'll have fun. Just kidding. Everybody gets to work. Since you can't handle a water bottle, it goes in the garbage. My teacher's really stupid. Okay, sit down. Okay, our first subject we will be learning is math. So let's start off with some easy ones. What's 2 plus 2?
4.
Good job. That is a check. You get a star on your hand.
Oh my god.
Good job. Okay.
Yes,
you're laughing. What's 3 plus 3?
Hey,
Okay.
don't be disturbing in class.
Rory, that's your first warning. I'm gonna X off your star. Give me your star. No. Okay. Well, who wants to answer 3 plus 3? Since you went last time, Cameron, I'm gonna pick on you.
6.
Good job. Okay, that's a star. on your
There's a
hand.
tornado. I see
No,
a tornado.
there's not. Okay, guys. So, I'm going to challenge you with a really hard 3rd grade question. Okay, ready, guys. What's 12 times 2? It's so freaking easy. Oh no, that was a bad word. That was a mistake. Okay, guys, just don't say that word. Okay, so guys,
easy.
since you can't handle a shoe, we're gonna take the shoe off. That's your first warning. That's gonna be an X of a star.
Okay, but tell my shoe, please.
Fine, tell you, then we're done.
Okay.
Okay, so what's 12 plus 12?
12 plus 12 equals, I don't know.
Okay.
12
That is.
equals 24.
I'm gonna write your name.
Equals 24.
Okay, that's 24. So that's the right answer. Okay, guys, that was all for math. Your homework tonight is I want you to fill out these worksheets. Here's one for you. Here's your worksheet. Here's your worksheet. There's only one question.
Okay.
Okay, guys, now time for reading. I'm gonna read a book.
No, aren't you going to do that?
Okay, we're gonna read this book. It's called. Who
That's
is
so
this?
stupid, teacher. No, why don't you do the other
Go to the principals. Go. I want you to go see Miss Clara.
No. That's up. Okay, so just. Wait.
Okay,
Are
guys.
you going to do.
Okay.
Good.
I'm just trying to make the video long. Okay, guys. So we're gonna read Just Like Mommy.
Just like mommy.
What? Would you rather have to read the Notebook?
Yeah.
It's a love story.
Yeah,
Okay.
I
Enough fussing in class. Hey.
Hey, go put it straight.
Okay. I'm gonna have some helpers for reading. Okay, ready? Who would like to read the first page?
Me! I know how to read really good.
Okay.
Feel my pink and pudgy tummy to splash in mud. It's just so funny. Just like yeah.
Okay, what was this page about?
That page was
No shouting out. ever trust you for not shouting out. What is it about? I'm gonna give you a hint. The little pig does the same thing as Mommy Pig. What does he do?
It's about splashing in a mud.
Okay, that's very good. Let's skip to the next page. Stroke my strippy, fluffy fur, hide in trees and softly fur, just like Mommy.
It's about a cat going on a tree. And guys,
Okay,
we're not actually want to read this. We actually want to read another book.
okay, guys.
Wait, let me see something. Yeah.
Okay, guys, would you rather read this fun book?
Yeah.
Just some shoe, please. Okay, we're
We've had
gonna
that book for 50 years so far.
read just one.
I remember I just ran in with the book. I was like, yeah! I ran out screaming. I came back in screaming with the book.
Okay, ready?
Yes, Mrs. O'Leary.
Ow!
You stupid bitch!
I hate being a teacher. Would you rather have the meaner teacher?
Yes.
Bad kid. No reading this. We're gonna read 2 boxes. Two boxes met upon the road. Said to another, "If you're a box, I'm a box, and you are my brother, because we're both boxes." The end. Okay. Beep, beep, beep. Tornado. Everybody get out. We gotta get together. Get together.
Go.
Okay, everybody, stay in a quiet line. Stay in a quiet line.
You gotta go.
Guys, spooks. What are spooks? It's enough time for playing. Okay, guys, come on. We have to be very careful about this. Okay, run. Quickly. Get in the closet. No, not in the closet. We're going in the bath.
You didn't eat anything, okay? Eat some cookies. Yeah. And there's some. Grab them.
I'm like the
You
tornado.
didn't eat it. Well, maybe you like
Okay.
white bread. You have white bread.
Okay, guys. Where's the tornado gonna be like? Oh, get down! Get down! Get down!
Like her hair.
What are you doing?
The camera's breaking! The camera's breaking!
He got nunchucks.
Dollar store. It's fluffy off.